and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys a different kind of haul. Now please keep in mind, this is a haul just for me. Now some of you guys are Walgreens employees, so you guys can do this deal. But what I ended up doing is today only, so Friday, December 1st, they have 40% off Walgreens brand items, and then you get 25% off anything else. Now that also includes sale prices. Now they've never done 40% off before, and they've never really let you do it on sale items. So I'm like, okay, there's some stuff that I've been wanting to get with their prices, because some of this stuff never goes on sale. Now I could have done some serious couponing, but I did go to the store that's right down the road from me that I'm not a big fan of. It was weird. I walked in the door and they're like, oh, we haven't seen you in forever. And I'm like, yeah, because I don't like two of the managers that work at that store. I just don't like them. They've treated me bad in the past, and that's one reason why I hate shopping at that store. But the thing is, like, I just wanted to go there, but I wasn't there really to go couponing. I was just there to get some stuff, especially with items that were 40% off. And the Nice brand is one of Walgreens brands, and I always like getting nuts and like foods and stuff for Christmas gifts, because that's something that somebody will use. You know, it's nice to have stuff, but sometimes it's nice just, you know, feed them. So I ended up going crazy, you guys. I literally went crazy. So I ended up getting, my husband wants some pizzas. So these are $4.99 a piece. But then they were 2 for $9, I think, or something like that. So with the 40% discount, I ended up getting these for $5.40. So that's like, it says $2.99 or 2 for $5.40. So that comes out to be like $2.90. So these are $3 a piece. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So please keep in mind, these are for people who are Walgreens employees only. My husband works for Walgreens. He works for the distribution center. So I took full advantage of taking care of some stuff that I really wanted to get for Christmas. So we got that. He told me he wanted some beef jerky. He's probably listening. I told him not to watch this video because these are stuff he's getting for Christmas. So, because he loves food. I give this kid food. I call my husband a kid because he's a little kid at heart. But he just loves food. So these were $9.99. These are the Nice brand original beef jerky. And I ended up getting this for, why doesn't it show up? $5.99. So $5.99 for a big bag of beef jerky. He's gonna be a happy boy. I ended up getting some cashews because he loves cashews. So these were on sale for $3.99, but I ended up getting these for $2.39 a piece. So $2.39 a piece for a 8.5 ounce of cashews is a pretty good deal. Now I needed more prenatal vitamins, and I'm like, why not get them now? You know, they don't expire till 2020, so I still got a year and a half to use these, which is fine because I'll be using these the whole time I am breastfeeding. But these were originally like $10.49. Sorry, I'm like getting sick. But these were $10.49. They were on sale for buy one, get one free. So with my 40% discount, I get these for $6.29. That comes out to be $3.15 a piece, which is an awesome deal. So I am set for prenatal vitamins. So we got that going on. Now they did have these Head and Shoulders on clearance. I think these were on clearance for like $4 something. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it, because my husband and my family likes using Head and Shoulders, so these are great little gift basket ideas. So these were on clearance for like I didn't even take pictures. I'm not posting any photos, but I get the hiccups now. But these were on clearance for like $4 something, but with the discount they came to be $6.28 for both of them, so that comes out to be $3.14 for each one, which is a pretty good deal. But there is a $5 off digital coupon that I used, so that came off at the registers. So I ended up getting this for $1.28, and then what printed out was a $2 Catalina, so I got these absolutely free, and it became a moneymaker. So I was pretty excited about that. Oh, okay. The next deal I got is I got these for Graham and my mom. I kind of been eyeing these up for a long time, but these are the pistachio bags. Now these are the nice pistachio bags, like in a bag. Now my store was sold out of the regular bags, so I'm like, okay, where can I find some pistachio bags? And right by the photo section, they had these right by the register. So you get just a big bag of the pistachios in this cool little bag, which I think is kind of cute. So we got that, and these were on sale this week for $4.99. Hold on, I'm just tying this up. But they were $4.99, and I got these for $3.74 a piece. So these are awesome gifts, and these are great to give away for gifts. I ended up getting myself some whole cashews of the Nice brand. So I got these for $2.39. So got that. And these again were $3.99 was the regular price. Now these are something I've been wanting to get my husband for a long time. They never go on sale, and he buys them and he uses my points, and I'm like, don't buy these, they're expensive, at least buy them when they're on sale. He's like, but I really like them, and I understand you really like them, but they're expensive. Normal price for these are $9.79. These are the premium macadamia nuts. Now I do know they're expensive. I'm not a big macadamia nuts fan, but I do like them. But for $9.74, I think that's a ripoff. Now when they've had nuts go on sale, they never ever have these go on sale. It's everything else except those. So these ended up becoming $5.87. So I'm going to have one happy husband when it comes to being Christmas morning, because he's going to love these. And I know he's expecting me to get some of these for him. So I got 3 of those. So yeah. My total, oh, it's my cat. My total was like over $150, probably even more than that. But after I put my my discount code in there, I ended up getting everything for $54 or $57. But I had a ton of register rewards to use up that I've gotten over the last 2 weeks, and I wanted to use those up because some expire on Christmas Eve, and that was the point of me saving those for these, and then some of them expire later on, but I'm like, I don't want those to go to waste, and I didn't use any coupons, so I ended up getting everything for $14.72 for everything. But then my husband had gift cards that he got from work, so I ended up getting, I only paid 54 cents for everything, including tax. So 54 cents I actually paid on my own pocket. Now I had a Catalina for $7 off when you spend $25 or more, so I ended up using that Catalina. So my points I ended up getting was $13 back in points. Now I did not use any of my points to pay for any of this stuff, which was cool. I was expecting to use some of my points, but I didn't pay for any of my points, and I got $13 back. And then I also had that $2 off P&G Catalina for the Head and Shoulders. So yes, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I mean, I did pretty good for everything that I got. I really wanted to get nuts. Nuts is one thing I absolutely love getting people for the holidays. And, you know, this is a great time to get that stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, or if you guys know somebody who's an employee, see if you can take advantage of their discount. It's for 1 day only. They get 40% off the Walgreens brand, which is nice. Well Beginnings. They got tons of different brands. I think yeah, they got tons of different brand names. And then 25% off everything else. But yeah, I was pretty excited for what I got. I've been eyeing these up for all winter long, and I'm like, when are these going to go on sale? And I'm like, because I was going to get these on my Sunday's haul, but then I'm like, oh, I'll wait till I get 25% off of that. So I was pretty excited for that. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I hate it. I'm just starting to get a cold. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be posting a video on Sunday. I'm going out of town tomorrow. We're going to go visit my parents. And they live 2 hours away, and so we're spending the night. So it all depends on what is going on for Sunday, but I might do a late video, or I might not just do anything. It's just hard to say, but I don't want to coupon on Monday because it's going to be a zoo at anywhere I go. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of a video. Please give this video a thumbs up to let me know you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.